If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high. But now the comments we reading can ruin our lives. Why? It used to be easy back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though now it's lobster, all on top of my pasta, I can still feel alive.
Good morning. Happy Tuesday morning. So, in my quest to eat better, this is my first prep video for this year. But in my quest to eat better, I've been looking up recipes. And what I tried from the tropical smoothie the other day was a kale, apple, and carrot salad. And it was really, really good. So I got my kale here. I got 2 Granny Smith apples. And I just bought the carrots. They call them matchstick carrots. So I got that. And the recipe I found, the lady made some honey mustard. I'm just going to use this. I love the Ken's honey mustard. And so all you do is, I'm going to have to kind of dry this off, this kale. Make sure there's no brown spots. I'm very particular about that. Then cut the stems off and then slice it up and make my salad. So I just wanted to show y'all, hey, I'm a foodie, right? So, but I'm trying to learn and to eat healthier. And so I am going to show you, all I'm going to do is step off and shred up my, I'm going to show y'all something. Something I found on good old YouTube. So, if you cut your apple the bottom up, you could just about eat the whole thing except for the middle. Look. Look at there. See that? If you do it from the bottom up. See, this is all you have to throw away. Okay, so let me do this. I'm going to come back and show y'all what it looks like. I ain't going to hold y'all up too long. Alright, so let me show y'all what I did. So I cut the apple. But see, it's still too big. So you're still going to go through and slice it again. Like I need it. My knife needs to be sharpened. So if you julienne them when you slice them the one time, you have to actually come through lengthwise and do it again. See, it's going to be too wide if you don't. Like matchsticks. I'm trying to match them to the carrots. Y'all know January is the time of the year you go in and you declutter and all that. And I got a lot of stuff here, like stuff I be selling on eBay and all that. I got a lot of stuff I got to get rid of. So I haven't decided if I'm going to still do the eBay thing or take it to one of those consignment shops and let them do it. I don't know. I got to decide really quick though. Alright, so let me finish this. I just wanted to show y'all how you have to actually cut it up real small. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so I got to keep mixing it, but I got to get ready to go to work. So what I'm going to do, I bought these from Sam's, so I'm going to put me some in here. I'm not going to mix it up. What I'm going to do is, a serving of this is 2 tablespoons is a serving, right? So what I'm trying to do is portions, measurements, and stuff like that. So I'm going to actually just put some of my salad in this bowl here. And then I'll take this with me. I got a little thing to put it in. And then I'll just mix it at lunch. Well, a little bit before lunch. And then that way, it'll be fresh. You know how sometimes when you sit together too long, it gets, do y'all wash out y'all plastic? I do. So I measure out my 2 tablespoons so I know exactly how much I had. So 2 tablespoons is 130 calories. It tells you about the sodium and just everything. And so I got kale, apple, carrots. All good. All good. So that's what I'm having for lunch today. For breakfast, I'm doing yogurt and peanuts. Or I like this Too Good yogurt. Y'all ever tried it? It's good. 2 grams of sugar. And this is the strawberry kind. So that's what I'm going to have for lunch with my peanuts. Alright. Be blessed, y'all. I'm just, hey, if you're running out of options like I was, I just want to show you can make this kale, carrots, and apple salad. Now, some people, they make that salad with the apple, carrot, raisins. Raisins is not my thing. Alright. Be blessed, y'all. Much love. Bye.
If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard,